एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुरु प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। जो बोले सो निहाल सत श्री अकाल। साई साई कर दे मुंडे साई मिलू बथेरा हो साई साई कर दे मुंडे साई मिलू बथेरा हो दिल खोल के वेख मुंडिया साई मिलू बथेरा हो दिल खोल के वेख मुंडिया साई मिलू बथेरा नच ले तू मुंडिया ओ साई खुश हो जू तेरा ओ नच ले
Om Sai Ram. The journey for Sai students started about 40 years back when Swami took Sankalp to unfold yet another part of his mission, to teach to the mankind and to give to the world its first citizen. Swami started In 1969, the college in Vrindavan, where the first few batches were churned out. Today, this has grown to 40 years and has grown to several fold now. We all here have assembled to express our deepest gratitude at the lotus feet of Bhagwan, for that is all that we can offer to him in return to so much that he has done to us and so much that he is continuing to do for us. And we are sure he will continue to do for us forever. This program that we are offering at Swami's lotus feet is yet another way of expressing our gratitude. And this is another way of expressing gratitude where we are again seeking his blessings to help us in expressing our gratitude to its fullest. Sai Ram.
Dearest Bhagwan, we, your children, the Sri Satya Sai students, offer our most prayerful and humble pranams at your lotus feet. Swami, we consider this our greatest good fortune that you have blessed us to assemble here in your divine presence. It is your infinite love and compassion that has brought us all together here from various corners of the world to be here and bask in your divinity and your beautiful physical presence. Mother, we offer our hearts with complete humility and pray that you continue to guide us, guard us, and protect us always. Along every turn and stretch in this path of life that you have so lovingly chosen for each and every one of your children. It is the abundant and limitless sunshine of your love that makes every moment seem like a new beginning and a new year.
Bhagavan, in 1968, you visited Kampala in East Africa, where you gave me a very auspicious occasion to serve you. At that time, Bhagavan, in one of the conversations, you asked me to come to your college at Brindavan. Bhagavan, at that time, there was no college, but in 1970, I happened to come to Vrindavan, and Swami, at that time, you selected 12 boys and started the first Satya Sai men's hostel. You gave us immense joy and pleasure and spent such a lot of time with us. Swami, that time, nothing mattered to us. It was you and us, nothing else. Just the 12 boys and Swami. Swami, you shared your meals. We shared our meals with each other. We traveled together many a times. And Swami, and we had joy time and time again. And then, I would like to narrate an incident. One day, Swami, you asked one of the boys to open his palm. You put your palm on top of it and produced a big bowl of bundi, hot bundi. And Bhagavan, you distributed this bundi to everybody who was there. Bhagavan, not only that, time and time again, you came and gave us a lot of help.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे. The bridal procession of memories is parading before the gates of my heart. सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे. The music of the dreams beckons the years gone by. Sweet Lord, as I gaze upon thy beautiful form, surrounded by this august presence of guests and my brothers, the floodgates of my heart burst open, and memory after loving memory floods, trying to take expression to tell you and everyone present here about the beautiful days we spent at thy lotus feet. I remember one special occasion, Bhagavan, in Brindavan in 1981. Swami had just entered the beautiful Brindavan Zoo and picked up an apple from a tray that one of the students offered. Then, holding the apple in the hand, Swami called out, "Dear, dear." and the whole herd of deer came running towards Swami and to partake of that prasad. And then in an instant, Swami turned to the students and said, "Deer, deer," with the same apple, punning on the word D-E-A-R. And Swami lovingly said, "Chudura, these four-legged deers are coming to me so spontaneously, but the two-legged deers are not coming." Swami, today the two-legged deers are all come to you. With hearts full of love, with eyes thirsting for your darshan, with hands yearning to touch your lotus feet. Though we are spread out far and wide, from Parthi to Paris, from Vizag to Vancouver, yet Bhagwan, for us, there is only one place, at thy lotus feet. Though we feel your omnipresence wherever we live, Swami, for us, being near and dear to you is all that matters. That is our bliss. Swami Sai Ram.
Being at your feet, Swami, is being home. Whenever there used to be a vacation time for students, many of us would just stay on because that would be a wonderful opportunity to spend more time in the presence of the Divine Parent. Many years back, during one such vacation, there was a student who was sitting inside the bhajan hall. Swami walked past him and said, "It's vacation time, go home." He continued to walk on, and on his way back, he said, "You're still here? You should go home." The student said, "Swami, this is my home." Bhagwan's face lit up with a beautiful, loving smile. With a wave of his hand, he created a ring that had the letter Om inscribed on it. Beautifully punning on the word Om, he said, "This is your Om." And then he looked at the student and asked him, "This is your?" And he was waiting for an answer. When the student replied, "Om," Bhagwan lovingly corrected him and said, "No, this is your home." Whenever, Swami, we, your children, gather at your lotus feet, it is always a sense of homecoming, coming home to a mother. When a group of students were about to complete their studies and they were thinking that they would be leaving home, Bhagwan was talking to them, and he made a very sweet and a profound assurance. He said, "You may be leaving Parthi, but you can never leave Partisha."
Swami, we fondly remember your assurance given to the devotees in your own words. మకర పీడిత మహా మధ్యేభమును నాడు వీక్షించి రక్షించు నా ప్రేమ ఫలం వలువలూర్చెడి నాడు వైదర్భి వదినను దడిగాచి నాటి నా అవ్యాజ కరుణ ఆహ్లాదమొప్పు సరగునన్ ప్రహ్లాదు వడిగాచినట్టి అపార కృపయు దుష్టులం తెగటార్చి శిష్టులం దరిచేర్ప పలుమారు పుట్టు నా చలువ ఎల్ల తెలిసి కొమ్ము కస్తూరి నా తేనె మనసు. Showering my love, I rescued the mighty elephant from the jaws of the crocodile. Pouring my compassion, I upheld the honor of Draupadi. With limitless grace, I protected Prahlada, recognizing his devotion. Time and again have I incarnated to protect the virtues and correct the wicked. Recognize, dear devotees, my nectarine heart. Side up.
Oh Lord, oh Lord, you breathe through each one of us and you live in our hearts. A few years ago, as I was leaving the portals of this institute, after finishing my MBA, like every other student, I was very sad, for I was leaving my home. Bhagwan, they lovingly called us and assured us, saying, Bangaru, wherever you go, I am always there you at all times. Taking Bhagwan's blessing and this message in my heart, and as per his instructions, I joined a company in New Delhi. During the weekends, I used to spend my time with the children at an orphanage, sharing the love of Bhagwan with them. A few months later, the school that these children attended had organized a function. It was expected that every student in the school would be coming to the function with their parents. But what about these little children from the orphanage? They came to me and said, we have nobody in this world. We know only you. Would you please come to the function for us? Looking at their hearts and eyes brimming with love and hope, I immediately promised to them, yes, I would definitely come for the function. On that particular day, as I was preparing to leave for the function, my manager called me and said that a major business client from London would be visiting us and I was required to give a presentation. When I heard this, my heart sank. I was in a dilemma. Should I break the promise to the children and make my manager happy? Or should I keep the promise to the children and risk losing the job? My heart said, go for the function. Praying to my beloved Swami and leaving everything to his will, I left for the function. The function went on very well and the children were very happy. As the day came to an end and I returned back home, I shared with my roommates and colleagues that I'd be losing the job soon and explained to them everything in detail. They were surprised and they said, what are you talking about? We saw you working all day at your desk in the office and you were saying you were not there? And then I realized what my beloved mother had done for me. Oh Swami, you took my form, came to my office and did my work while I was there with the children. Bhagwan, how can we ever thank you? When you say, you do my work and I will do yours, little do you realize to what extent you go for the sake of your children and devotees. Bhagwan, we are never far away from you. Wherever we are, we know you are there.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakta Jana Samrakshaka Bhakti Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivadana Shrikara Sarva Pranapate Swami Sarva Pranapate Ashrita Kalpalatika Ashrita Kalpalatika Abad Bandhava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Daivam Mariyantayu Mere Swami Mariyantayu Mere Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagendra Sarana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Om Kararopa Jai Shiva Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangalarati Anduka Mangalarati Anduka Mangala Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Om Jai Sadguru Deva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana Narayana Om Jai Sadguru Deva Narayana Narayana Om Satya Narayana 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 Om Narayana Narayana
शान्तिः लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु